Yo, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here with another video on the channel, and today is going to be another 5 free lessons. And before I will start talking about the affiliates program and the current training, which is going to be, we are doing today the affiliate bootcamp. It's just first lesson or lessons phase 1. We're just gonna call it phase 1. So before I will do, I just have the side note, but also this side note, it's copied just from the website within. So maybe I'm just gonna show you what we are going to learn here on my channel and what we are going to learn within the site. So who is my audience, who I'm targeting with? So they actually explaining us as the users of the website, but also I just noticed it's like really good idea to obviously put this into the hashtags below the video and also do as an introduction. So first thing first, because they mention here they will learn, they are going to learn getting rich quick and become millionaires. So I just want to mention something about this. It's not anything about the getting rich quick. So somebody might think right now, okay, so why they mentioned that? They mentioned that because lots of people try to search for getting rich quick, but this site, it's not about anything even close to getting rich quick, because it's not any kind of the scam. And basically you just can create free account and you don't even need to buy anything to make money from it. So basically I will just introduce this on the channel. I already introduced that. I already made the one playlist with 5 free lessons. Right now I'm just going to do another 5 lessons for free, and the next week I will start the premium, which I will put on the playlist as well, because I already super convinced I will just do this. The premium account is going to be about $40 per month. So obviously if you from UK, about roughly 35 quid or pounds. So yeah, definitely that's the thing which I'm going to just proceed within next Friday. I'm just gonna start next Friday, and then I'll be able to do free websites, which I'll be able to affiliate products on free websites. So I'm a gamer, I am nutritionist, and I will just find another niche for a third one. Just quick peek on my website if you wanna take a look. So we're just gonna go to the site manager website, and I can log in as the Switch to Pro. So I'm just gonna open this and just do like that. So we're just going to log in, and just quick peek of my website, which took me a couple of days, like roughly 3-4 days to manage, do this. I'm still free account user, everything is done for free. Fun fact about this website is you don't need to buy premium at all to be able to use your website all the time. Just the difference is on the premium you will have the better professional domain, which is not going to be Site Rubix. You can see this, but my domain right now is switch to pro siterubix.com. But when you are considered to buy the premium account, you will have just your domain.com. So it's going to be switch to pro.com next week. Yay. And I have a little bit strobing. I don't know why, but my light is strobing. Just give me a second. I need to check something. Okay, we're fine. I thought it was going to be like super dark in the room, but apparently I'm still fine to record without any light. So yeah, without further ado, we're just gonna jump to do the lesson. I will just read through what's going on. Can I? I'm just checking for my side note, which I have on the desktop, but I just want to show you guys within the affiliates. Anyway, I'm just gonna read from the desktop. So we are going to learn here how to make money, how to work from home, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, PPC marketing. So it's some productive marketing, email marketing. I think so. They might be here implemented at some point. Entrepreneur programs, website marketing, local marketing, social media marketing, Twitter marketing, Facebook marketing, LinkedIn marketing, email marketing, which I read already. Google AdWords, Google Content Network, Bing ads, PPC marketing, which I mentioned already as well, clickbank, data entry, home business, search engine optimization, article marketing, search engine marketing, self-employment, affiliate programs, affiliate network, WordPress plugins, theme hosting, website builders, internet marketing tools. So basically, they will just teach us everything how to make money from your website, which is, for example, your hobbies, what you like to do, or you will just choose whatever. Doesn't really matter. You don't need to be a professional within some niche to start to do that, because at the end of the day, after a couple of years from now, you will be learning that niche all the time. And guess what? Yes, you are going to be a professional within. So my vlog site is about nutrition, because I just passed 2 years ago the nutrition college, but also my passion is gaming. So right now I'm just creating a vlog, but probably starting next week I will just do another site on some different topic, because I just like lots of hobbies, lots of ideas. I just want to do it. I don't really thinking about right now to making money from it, but with that being said, we already have some affiliates link. So for example, even if you see my t-shirt right now, I will just put on the description below the video, you can see this t-shirt on the website as well, and so on. So obviously that's just the simple idea, because we're going to learn much further, much better options to affiliate the products. Mention one more thing about the affiliates products within the site. So every person who will buy the premium for my link, I will get $20 from that person, and obviously you as a person who creates the account will have the affiliate link as well to affiliate the wealthy affiliate. So this is like great. This is the best affiliate program ever, just simply because the cookies are staying for the lifetime on your PC. So basically, if you're not considered to buy the premium right now, and you will buy the premium even from 6 months from now, because you just want to create your website for 6 months, as I mentioned, the website is totally for free all the time. So you might just consider to, as I'm doing right now, for example, I'm putting the list of supplements. So you can click here and you will see the list of supplements, and then you can click for the caffeine, for example, and you see I'm just posting the articles, excuse me. So obviously I don't need to buy the premium, but I already figure it's like super crazy websites to make money for the later on in the future. So let's say a year from now or 2 years from now, I might even consider to give up my full-time job, because the opportunities you can access through this website. Okie so without no further ado, which I've said already several times, it's 8 minutes of introduction. I just hope I'm just gonna crack on quite fast with the bootcamp, because that's what we are going to do today. So instead of maybe reading through all the freaking thing, we just try to do this as fast as possible, as brief as possible. But that's the thing, like that's the thing. Maybe it's not that easy to just tell through to you guys, because at the end of the day, I'm supposed to tell you as much information as possibly I can, but okay, we'll see. So the getting started, affiliate bootcamp phase 1, lesson 1 of 5. So we're just gonna maybe read the introduction here. Welcome to the affiliate bootcamp. I'm ready to learn a lot, have a bunch of fun, build a full-time income brand, and promote a platform that you can believe in. So yeah, we're just going to promote basically them, but with promoting the wealthy affiliates, we will have money, and you will promote the wealthy affiliate and you will have money. So it's like infinite loop, basically everybody helping each other, which is super great. I think I'm just gonna do like that. I will just explain from my point of view, and if I don't know something, I will just read it through. So that's obviously the beginning. Who am I and why do I care? So I'm Kyle, co-founder of Wealthy Affiliate. I'm going to walk you through the process of building business online through the promotion of Wealthy Affiliates and likely other programs. I have been actively working with close to 2.7 million affiliates since 2005. So you can figure there's a little bit story about them. We're just gonna crack on. I just wanna do. I think this playlist I will just do as fast as possible, because the thing is, like, I just noticed I like to talk a lot. I'm doing the videos like 40 minutes long or even to 1 hour, but nobody give a fuck. And this is not a bad thing. Don't get me wrong. This is not a bad thing. Like, nobody give a fuck. But the thing is, like, why the fuck I supposed to, waste time? So I know what I'm talking about. I know I'm fully committed into it. So As soon as I will get the affiliates and money, I will also show you this, guys, because it's nothing to not showing. Okay, so the Wealthy Affiliates program is awesome. Obviously, it's fucking amazing. So they're explaining this here, and there's even the video about that. Like briefly as well, because I mentioned already to you. I would just show you here. You can click on the affiliate program and just show you in the minutes. So we have the opportunity to go to Las Vegas if we hit 300 people within 1 year. Don't need to be the first year. Can be like, let's say 3 years from now, I will be able to hit 300 affiliates. So you will have the opportunity to see the CEO and stuff. So this is great. So we have the affiliate link. So obviously, which I show you already. So we have the affiliate link, and you can affiliate that, for example, on the YouTube videos. I will be just promoting this site within the Diablo, my channel. So I reckon every Saturday or every Sunday I will do the YouTube video from the Diablo game on my English channel and Polish channel, and I will just affiliate this, promote this. So as an advert, so we already figure some way, just as a free user. So we have the affiliates link, we have the program details. This is where you can go to full details. So yeah, I'm just gonna check that in a minute. My stats, so obviously the stats, tasks. So there are going to be some tasks within my referrals. So that's really crazy good, because if you will go through my referral link, I will have like a dashboard with everybody who create the account within this, and I can just directly message you, fuck off. No, obviously that's not what I meant. I can just directly message you and say, thank you very much for supporting me. And obviously we can even talk about different subjects. We don't need to talk about this. Maybe you like Diablo, playing Diablo or whatever. So that's great. This is fucking amazing, because if there are going to be some trolls, they obviously will be banned instantly, because there is like lots of moderation here. But other than that, it's crazy. A good way to communicate with me. If you wonder, I don't have any comments below the YouTube, because I just simply don't have a time wasters. So if you're not wasting your time and you want to talk about this, that's much appreciated, and we can talk to each other. Although obviously if you're going to create the account here, you can talk with CEO, which is Kyle, and some other person which I forget. But anyways, like lots of people who are going to help you within your journey to make money online at home. So links and tracking, messages and banners. So I already explained everything about the banners. So you can obviously download lots of banners, which that's one of them. Here obviously you are not able to click that, but that's not the point. This is just here for, I don't know, just because it is. So you can see, you can start your free start a membership. So the training, so the menu, which we are seeing already, your potential commission and structure. I don't really want to dwell much about this, because at the end of the day, I didn't really get anybody yet, and as you are going to create account, you are not going to get anybody yet either to buy or get to that affiliate. So I think we're just supposed to focus on this part. Like we can get $20 per month from one person. We are going to be able to hook to the wealthy affiliates to refer, and that's it. There's no point to read that through and focus on this, because we just have to focus on how to create the website, how to be able to put our articles within the Google engine, and that's the sort of thing. Like we need to understand how to do that. We need to develop, we need to create, we need to just learn the skill, and then eventually we are going to make money. So your potential commission and structures, obviously they're explaining everything like super ultra, from, you know, everything like monthly, yearly and such. So you can obviously click here on this button over there, and then you can just go to the program details, and they're just going to explain everything here, so you will have an idea. And then we have the first task, add your affiliate goals. So basically what they trying to tell you, like you have to go just to the vlog site, and then you're just putting your goals. So you can see me here, switchback, and I just put I wish to get like 50 referrals within this year. And honestly, I just put 50 because I think it's going to, it's like huge number anyway. Like it's not like I have doubts in myself, because I'm really super happy, positive, talkative person, but it's like, it's really hard to make any assumption, if you know what I mean, even if they're trying to convince me like they're super going to help me and such and yada yada. Like 50 people at the end of the year, that'd be like crazy good, because 50 people actually giving us $1,000 monthly income. So $1,000 monthly income, I already can try to give up on my job and just go with this full time, honestly. Like, I don't need more money to just quit this crap and then just do a full-time stream with the Diablo and just the rest of the time, let's say 8 hours playing on the stream and 8 hours learning the new skill to obviously create much better website and more websites, because our journey starting from 1 website to 3 websites, and then we can end up on 50 websites with passive income. So that's my idea. I just want to learn and create. So from 10 years from now, I just can do whatever fuck I wanted to, and I wish obviously to you guys the same. So I have like a vision and the idea and the goal, but just posting this on the beginning, I just figured like 50 at the end of the year is like crazy fucking good anyway. And then they just introduce us to the Las Vegas. So obviously if you will hit 300 affiliates, you are going to be able to go to the Las Vegas, and then you have the video which they basically showing you everything within this affiliate program. So my referrals, link tracking, task, and share and program details or whatever fucking you name it is going to be showing you here. So with that being said, thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. I think that was the fastest video I ever done it, despite the fact I was actually doing the introduction for 7 minutes. So I'm super crazy fucking happy about this video. Yeah, I'm just gonna carry on with another one, but before I will finish, so as you can see, we can earn $23 monthly from one person. And obviously if you will have 100 person, you figure 2300 per month. So happy days for everybody who are going to achieve as much people as possibly you can. So thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care, bye for now, and remember, learn some skill which you are going to be able work everywhere in the world from the laptop, and you won't be like needing any shitty job, you know, 9 to 5, whatever, and just doing whatever fucking crap you do, because at the end of the day, if you are not able to do whatever you like in your life, you always will be fucking miserable bastard. That's unfortunately, that's unfortunate. That's how the life works. It doesn't really matter how much you are going to earn if you just need to work for somebody and you are not fulfilled. Like I am, I need to play Diablo. I know that's my goal. I just want to play Diablo. Like 5 years from now, I just want to play Diablo. You know, going swimming pool, going gym, reading books, meditation, eating well, and doing some crazy websites. So with that being said, just stay tuned for the another lesson number 2. So see you in a minute.